Imagine this. You're holding your little one close, ready for a peaceful feeding session. But the moment your baby latches, they start slipping, sliding, losing grip again and again. You adjust your position, you try again, but it keeps happening. And you're left wondering, why won't my baby stay latched? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden reasons your baby keeps sliding off the breast and what this really means for you and your breastfeeding journey. Stay till the end, because understanding these reasons can completely transform your feeding experience. Your baby sliding off the breast is more common than you think. And no, it doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It usually means your baby is trying to tell you something through their latch, their body, and their feeding behavior. Let's start with the first hidden reason. Your baby may not be opening their mouth wide. ENOUGHA shallow latch is one of the most common causes. When your baby only holds the nipple instead of a deep mouthful of breast, they can't maintain suction. Their tongue can't support the nipple, and eventually, they slide off. You may notice smacking sounds, clicking, or their cheeks sinking in. These are all signs that your baby's mouth isn't open wide enough for a comfortable, secure latch. Encouraging a wide open mouth before bringing them close makes a huge difference. Another hidden reason is breast engorgement or fullness. When your breast is too hard, too swollen, or too tight, it becomes difficult for your baby to grasp. Think of trying to bite into an overfilled balloon. It slips. Your baby feels the same way. Softening the breast a little before feeding can help your baby get a better grip and stay latched. Sometimes, the opposite happens. A very soft or floppy breast can also make latching difficult. Your baby may latch but simply can't stabilize themselves because the breast tissue collapses around their mouth. If they're sliding off, it could mean they need a little more support to help maintain suction. Next, let's talk about something many moms don't think about: your baby's position. Even a slight misalignment can cause sliding. If your baby's head, neck, and spine aren't in a straight line, or if their chin isn't touching the breast, maintaining a latch becomes hard for them. Babies rely heavily on proper body alignment to use their jaw and tongue effectively. But here's an even more hidden factor: your letdown reflex. If your letdown is too fast, your baby may pull back or slide off because they feel overwhelmed. Milk may flow too quickly for them to manage. If your letdown is too slow, your baby may get frustrated, lose rhythm, and slip off trying to stimulate more. Milk flow. Another surprising reason is your baby's nasal congestion. If your baby can't breathe well through their nose, they will naturally adjust their latch or pull away to breathe. Something as simple as a mild cold, dry air or blocked nostrils can make staying latched difficult. Now let's explore one of the most misunderstood issues: tongue tie or lip tie. When the tongue or upper lip has restricted movement due to tight tissue, your baby struggles to create strong suction. They may latch at first and then slowly slide backward as their muscles get tired. Babies with ties often make clicking sounds, get fatigued quickly, or fall asleep during feeds because feeding takes more effort for them. Another closely related reason is oral muscle weakness. Some babies, especially early infants, simply don't have strong enough oral muscles to maintain suction for long periods. Their jaw gets tired, their tongue loses control, and eventually they slide off. As they grow stronger, this usually improves naturally. Let's talk about something many new moms experience: nipple shape differences. If your nipples are flat, inverted, or very soft, your baby might struggle to hold on to them. They may latch but then gradually lose grip. This doesn't mean you can't breastfeed, it just means your baby may need more support and guidance to maintain suction. Another hidden reason your baby may slide off is distraction or overstimulation. Babies are incredibly sensitive. Bright lights, noises, movement, or even their own hunger level can affect their ability to focus on feeding. A distracted baby tends to latch loosely and slip off more often. Now here's a reason many parents don't expect: your baby's temperament and feeding style. Some babies are calm, slow suckers. Others are excited, impatient, or easily irritated. Babies who want fast milk flow may latch quickly and then slide off when they don't get it immediately. Babies who are sleepy may latch weakly and slip off as they drift in and out of sleep. Understanding your baby's natural feeding personality helps you support their latch better. Then there's reflux or digestive discomfort. If your baby is experiencing discomfort in their tummy. They may arch their back, pull away, or slide off the breast to alleviate the pressure. They're not rejecting you. They're just trying to soothe themselves. Another important reason is breastfeeding positioning changes throughout growth. Your newborn may have latched perfectly at 2 weeks, but at 8 weeks, they're bigger, more active, and more curious. Their body changes, neck control improves, and they move differently at the breast. These changes can temporarily affect how well they stay latched. Let's talk about something. Emotional, your baby senses your tension. If you're stressed, rushed, or uncomfortable, your muscles tighten, your milk flow changes, and your baby may slide off more easily. Babies feel everything. A calm, comfortable mom creates a calm feeding environment. Another hidden reason is short feeding windows. Sometimes babies slide off simply because they're not hungry enough, or they're overly hungry. A baby who is mildly hungry latches better than a baby who is starving or not hungry at all. Timing matters more than most people think. Finally, one of the most overlooked reasons, your baby is still learning. Breastfeeding is a skill for both mom and baby. It takes practice, patience, and time. Sliding off the breast doesn't mean something is wrong. It often just means your baby is still figuring things out. Now, here's something important for you to remember. You're not failing, your baby isn't failing. This is a journey full of learning moments. Every latch, every slip, every feed is helping your baby grow stronger and helping you understand each other more deeply. If your baby keeps sliding off the breast, it doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It simply means there's a message hidden behind their behavior. And once you understand what your baby is telling you, breastfeeding becomes more peaceful, more effective, and more connected. Before you go, always remember, seek help when you need it. Lactation consultants, midwives, and pediatricians are there to guide you. You deserve support, and your baby deserves comfort. And if you found this explanation helpful, make sure you follow for more real, honest, and practical breastfeeding guidance. Your journey matters, and you're doing a beautiful job.